Want to be the hit of the barbecue this summer? Then you have to make this pasta salad. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make my amazing dill pickle pasta salad. This is one recipe that I'm always asked for again and again. You're gonna wanna grab the full printable recipe in the video description below so you're prepared when your friends ask you for the recipe. All right, so the first thing we need to do for our dill pickle pasta salad is we need to get our pasta in the bowl because we're gonna do a little something to it. So I have some pasta that I'm cooking over here, so I'm just gonna grab it. And we're gonna transfer it right into our bowl. Okay, to our super duper hot pasta, we are going to add some pickle juice. Now we wanna do this while the pasta is nice and hot because we want it to soak up all that pickly flavor, all that deliciousness. Get it? Deliciousness? I know. I'm not funny. All right, so we got this going. We're just gonna set it aside. Let it work its magic and let that dill juice get in there and make everything delicious. All right, get in a new bowl. Now we're gonna start building our dressing. So the first thing we're going to add, like most pasta salads, is some mayonnaise. Get that going in there. To the mayonnaise, we're going to add some sour cream. This just makes it extra super creamy, gives it a little bit more richness. And then to really hit that dill flavor home, instead of vinegar, we're adding more pickle juice. So at this point, I'm going to switch over to my whisk. Get this whisked together, breaking up that mayo and sour cream, making it one with the pickle juice. I just love dill pickles. I have a great recipe too, if you're a pickle fan like me, for fire and ice pickles. Check it out. I'll put the link in the show notes. You won't want to miss it. So good. They're sweet and they're hot all at the same time. Okay, this is looking good. Slide this off to the side. All right, come on, Chris. Okay, so to this we're going to add some flavoring. So a little more dill here. I've got some fresh dill. And we're just gonna give that a chop. There's nothing like the smell of fresh dill. I just love it. I wouldn't use dried dill here. I just think the flavor is not as strong. Go for the fresh stuff. I mean, it's so dilly to begin with. We want to really kick that flavor up and get as much in there as we can. Okay, that looks good. Now a little bit of our house seasoning blend. You can get that recipe on my website. I'll link to it in the show notes. And we have a lot of pasta here, so we don't want to be stingy with the seasoning. And then last but not least, for a little kick, we're gonna add some cayenne. Just a little kick. Not gonna knock your socks off. You probably won't even know it's there. But that little bit, that little warm note in the back of this salad. Okay, dressing done. We're gonna set this aside. We're gonna bring our pasta back. Now, to this, we are going to start putting all our additions in. So I have some dill pickles that I've chopped up. In they go. Yum. Kosher dills, the best. To this, we're going to add some chopped cheese. Now, you can use cheddar. I have a Colby Jack here. My family loves Colby Jack, so I always have it on hand. Whatever you like. It's your salad. So we're going to chop up some onion. We don't need a lot of it. We just want a little bit. Not too much onion flavor. We don't want to overdo it. And I like to mince it very fine because nobody likes a big old mouthful of onion in their salad. That's looking good. In that goes. Something in it. All right. And last but not least, we're going to add some shredded carrots. Now you can shred them yourself. You can buy them pre-shredded. Whatever floats your boat. No judgment here. And give everything just a quick stir because we're going to pour that dressing on in a sec. Alrighty, time for the dressing. So we're just going to pour all of that right on top. Get it all out. Don't leave it behind. It smells so good. Now this is a perfect salad for a nice garlicky dill. Like if you can find those pickles, those are my favorite. Alrighty, now it's just a matter of bringing it all together. Oh, the pasta's warm, so it's soaking up all those flavors. Now I used a gemelli pasta here. Use whatever shape you like. I just thought it was fun shape. When it comes to pasta salads, I like to play around with different pasta shapes. I'm telling you, you're going to be the hit of the barbecue. You're going to be asked for this recipe. I promise. You can tell all your friends you found it from It Is a Keeper. All right. This is ready to go. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to slap it in the fridge for at least an hour. You really want to give that time for all the pickliness to come together, all those flavors to infuse, and everything to firm up a little bit. And then we are digging in. I wish you could smell the pickly dilly goodness going on in this salad. It is off the chart. I cannot wait another second, so I'm going in right now. And I want to make sure I get pickles and cheese and all that goodness. Oh, you guys, I just love this. This dill pickle pasta salad is definitely a keeper. I think you're gonna love it. There are so many great summer salad recipes out there. I have an incredible Frito corn salad. That's another of my go-to barbecue recipes. You don't want to miss it. You can check it out here. I'll see you over there.